Hi everybody, I'm PJ with Princess Craft RV, and today I'm going to show you the changes in the 2020 Tag. Now, if you're not familiar with Tag, this one weighs about 1,200 pounds. It's 15 feet long, fits in your garage. This is the standard Tag that we're looking at today, which means the bed inside is 5 feet wide. They do make a 6 foot wide version, but this is what we call the queen size bed. So it's 60 by 80 for a standard queen. This is 58 by 78, so it's very close to a queen. So in looking at this Tag trailer, there are some great upgrades in the 2020 model, and that's what we're going to highlight today. Let's start on the outside, because the first thing that they've done that I think is super cool is they have actually pre-wired for solar. Now that means the wires are already in this camper to mount the controller and mount a flexed panel on the roof. That's a great feature, and it is an option that you can add. The other thing that you can't really see is that electric brakes are standard. Now, they were optional in the past, but if you have a small vehicle and you're towing a small trailer, electric brakes can be so valuable because that small vehicle can really be pushed around by a trailer in severe conditions. So, electric brakes being standard, great feature, and now it's on the 2020s. All right, let's take a look at some other things. The graphics have changed just a little bit, although they're very similar to what you've seen in the past. But if you see an older one, it won't have quite so many breaks in the stripes. I love the white with the silver graphics on it. I think this is a very clean, stylish trailer. Let's walk around the back and take a look at the kitchen. Now in the galley, you'll notice that this is a Tundra 35 Yeti cooler. In the past, there was a 12-volt refrigerator here. Now there's some great advantages to having this Yeti. It will keep ice cold up to a week, so not a lot of maintenance here. The other thing that you don't have to worry about is keeping your battery charged, because this is going to keep everything cold that you want. The tray slides in and out just like it used to. A little clip here, and it slides in and gets out of your way. The next thing you'll notice, the countertop looks a little different. They have changed this from a particle board core to a foam core, and it has an edge banding on the front, so it almost has that solid surface look, and it is not as vulnerable to the humidity or any water that might get on it. It's lighter weight, just looks great. You can't miss this gray toned wood that they have on here. Now they had a maple in the past. They have now changed to what they call the ash, so it gives it a little more modern look. You've got the same 2-burner stove with a sink, but they have upgraded your outdoor speakers in the galley as well, so music sounds great out here. LED lighting, just like in the past. The gray tones on the flooring. Just a beautiful galley, works well, and does everything you need to do in this Teardrop trailer. Let's walk around and just take a peek over here. This is all the same features that you had in the past. The city water connection right here goes into your 11-gallon gray tank, and then you can hook up to city water and have it go direct to your faucet if you'd like. The 30-amp shore cord here. And underneath, you've got a spray port. So this port comes out, hooks in. It is a quick connect. So all you do is pull back on the collar, push that into place, and it snaps in. Then you have a spray port for anything you want. Washing off kids at the beach, dogs. I always mention cleaning a grill or any type of cooking utensils. And then you see it fits right back in there. Rear corner jacks, just like in the past. I love the aluminum wheels, the fender that is the graphic color. Of course, they have the standard windows they've had, which are the thermal paned windows that open up like an awning. We'll take a look at the inside where they have screens and blackout shades. Doors on both sides. Now this is 6 foot tall here, so this is going to easily fit in your garage. I love the clips on the doors. All of this is standard, just like you would find in the 2019 tag. Handles on the front because, of course, you can push this around. It weighs about 1,200 pounds. Very easy to push around in your driveway or in your campsite. The one-piece tub ABS is going to have not only a cutoff switch, but a propane tank and your battery all located inside this front piece. So these last features I've been showing you are the same as the 2019 tag, but for those of you that might be watching who aren't familiar with this trailer, I thought a little overview might be helpful. I love the doors on both sides. You get great airflow coming through this. Now, right under here, you'll also see there is the crank for the spare tire that is mounted underneath. Such easy operation on this trailer. It's got everything you need in a small package. There are a few changes they've made inside, so let's take a quick overview of that. In the rear of this trailer, there's 2 cabinet doors with shelves in them. You've got the stereo with the Bluetooth speakers on them. Flat screen television. Now this is a 12-volt television, so it's going to be running off the battery and will work anywhere that you are. The AC, a converter back here, and another shelf. Now the only thing that's changed on this side in the 2020 tag is going to be the color of the cabinets. Now the front of this trailer is going to look very familiar to those of you who know about the tag. It's got a compartment with sliding doors on it. So you've got some storage up front, the shelf on top, a little LED lighting here, little reading lights that actually have a blue tone, or if you hold it down, they turn white. Now, some additions that they've added is these speakers right here in the front instead of in the ceiling where they used to be. And there used to be a cup holder on the wall. They have now put 2 cup holders right here in front on this shelf. So it cleans up this wall space just a little bit. Again, the cabinet is the ash instead of the maple. Now the front of this trailer, you can't help but see this large curved window that opens. The ventilation you can create in this trailer is wonderful, with the large window in the front, 1 window on each side, and there is a blackout shade you can pull up if you want full privacy, or a screen if you want some airflow. Of course, you can clip them together and have half and half if you'd like. Now, the best thing that they have done to improve the 2020 trailer is going to be on the ceiling. So let's take a look. So across the ceiling is an ash panel that actually has the recessed lighting behind it. The 2019 trailers in the past had 2 different lights coming straight down. This gives you a little bit of indirect lighting on the ceiling. And the fantastic fan that is on the ceiling is mounted right in the center of that panel. The switches for the ceiling lights and the porch lights are on each end of that panel, and it just gives it a great modern feel, a nice indirect lighting in here. I think you're really going to enjoy the look and the feel while you're camping. Now, the same great storage is in this trailer, which means you lift up this panel and you've got some storage compartments under here on each side. And of course, right now the mattresses are stacked, but you might want to camp with them if you're just sleeping 1 person. But you put them side by side, the entire camper becomes a bed. Very versatile, great to go just anywhere you want to go. So I hope you've enjoyed learning about the new features on the 2020 tag trailer. They took a really wonderful trailer and made it modern, made it a little sleeker, made it a little more versatile, and it's just going to be a really fun trailer to have here at Princess Craft RV. I'm PJ, at Princess Craft. We're in Round Rock, Texas. And if there's a question about this trailer, I hope you'll let us know. We'll be glad to answer it for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more walkthrough videos. See you next time.